Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you, the viewer. Here we go. We're making a egg and pepper omelet very quickly. So what I like to do first is use a whisk and beat up these eggs. I'm gonna go with these jumbo eggs here. One whole egg and 2 egg whites. Okay, and sometimes in a nice omelet we put a touch of milk, maybe a tablespoon. Just like that. Move this aside. I've got a few ingredients here. Sweet onion. I'm going to put just a very, very small piece. Remove the bottom, just like this. Okay. You got to have some garlic too. All right. The onion, we're going to go with just a very small dice here. Good enough. Garlic, just slice it up. That's all you got to do. Okay. And the peppers. We're just going to put a few small pieces of peppers in this omelet. Extra virgin olive oil, just a touch. Nice hot pan. Garlic goes in first. Oh yeah. Onion. And you let it cook. At this point my peppers go in. Followed by my egg. Oh, that omelet's looking really good now. So it's just about finished. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh grated provolone cheese on top of there. There we go, just like this. Touch more provolone. Yes. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Top it with a little more Parmesan cheese. A touch of fresh basil. There we go, a little bit of basil. As well as a couple of fresh fruits. Just like this here. A couple of blueberries. A couple of grapes. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Try out this omelet. It's going to be really, really good. Yeah.